In this video, I'm going to show you how to make ERD in draw.io. Now, the first thing you want to do, you can go to Arrange up top and you want to hover over Insert and you want to click on Template. Now, the first way to get it is over here by typing ERD up here and then pressing Enter, and it's going to show you kind of a template. You can click on that and click on Insert, and this is going to get put inside your document over here. Now, of course, you can move this around, customize it if you want to, but if you want to start from scratch and if you want to create your own ERD, what I would recommend is you just go over here to Entity Relation, and then here you can go ahead and use some of these. So there's going to be a bunch of different tables and objects and shapes in here you can use to create your very own ERD in Draw.io. And then you can even go ahead and when you hover over a specific object, you can see there's like this arrow. You can hold and drag this and connect it to something else like that. And then of course you can do this from every single object to a different one. And yeah, just like that, you can create yourself an ERD in draw.io. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.